I gave you my heart.
What up, baseheads? Base Junkie twin in the house. Anyway, we've had a long week, boys. Ended up hitting something on my way to work. Did a little damage. This thing was already messed up, but I had it taped there, but it's really messed up now. Thank God. I mean, it's not that bad over here, but over here, look. Oh. So I got the other front end over there that I already had. Thank God I didn't have it on, or it would have been messed up too. So we're gonna sand that and put that on this weekend. But I'm also checking the engine here. I just took out all the spark plugs. I'm getting a misfire. The code came up before fuel injection. Hey guys, I know this engine looks hellacious. I've cleaned it a long time ago when I first got it. It set for a couple years, but the car always ran great. I did replace the camshaft position sensors a while back and a camshaft sensor, and I got a different computer in it for the transmission, and I changed the transmission fluid and filter. And here you can see the JS250 alternator. See the ground, the power 0 gauge, and there's underneath that's a 4 gauge that run back to the lithium. All right, then you see the mounting bracket right there, and then that's the big boy. Boom, right there, mounted to the frame. Anyway, check the spark plugs. They seem like something's getting burned. It's black. The intake had some black in it. I cleaned it out some, but it needs like cleaned down in there. But one of my cylinders ain't firing. I don't know if the mass airflow sensor is bad or what. I don't really have those type of tools to check, but I'm gonna narrow it down. So let me get working on this. You can see the paint's coming off the front of this bumper anyhow. The other bumper I got has fog lights on it and everything. The wires to plug them in are right there on both sides. There's one for each one. So I got the other front end over here. I go around this way so you can see it. It's just about dark, so this is just a real quick update video, just to let y'all know what's going on. We'll do some more tomorrow. See the fog lights are in it. I think it's upside down right now. No, it's right. It's the right way. That bottom piece, I had it. I took it off and put it on that one, and it fell off. So I lost that piece. But I got that top piece there. That's on the car there. So I took it off this one. But I'm just going to sand this one primer it gray like I did the door. So I'll have the fog lights. It won't be all busted up. So it's going to look real good. And then either I'll paint it back the same color, because I love that color blue of that car, or I'm going to Raptor line it like I was talking about. So stay tuned to Base Junkie 2020. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. We're going to go to Ruckus. Just had some mechanical difficulties. You know, this kind of stuff happens. So it is what it is. I got to do what I got to do. And this ain't a dog tag. This is, let me show you what it says. See if you can read it. It's actually the Serenity Prayer. God grant me serenity to accept things I cannot change, the wisdom to know the difference. You know what I mean? That ain't the whole thing, but you guys know what's up. It's just something I like and I'm into, so wear that around. Anyway, we're going to get this thing fixed, and we're going to get this thing back on the road. I wish it's on the road, because I had to drive it to work today, but it was only running like on 3.5 cylinders, or maybe just 3. I don't know. But I'm chancing it doing it, so I'll be working hard on it tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to definitely be putting the front end on and do some more fixing, whether I got coil packs or whatever I got to do. It's just too late tonight, so you see what I'm saying? It's already going on like 8, so just want to let y'all know what's up, man. Thanks for subscribing, man. We're like 2,100 people. Subscribe to Base Junkie 2020 on Facebook if you haven't already. Be sure to hit me up on TikTok too. It's all lowercase, Base Junkie 2020. I ain't put no videos on none of the platforms in about a week, but I've just been working and really busy. But you guys know that I will. Tomorrow we're definitely going to get something good up here. Whether it's just demos and I just, you know, get copyright or whatever, we're going to do it. But tonight, this is just what's up. So I'm not the like greatest mechanic in the world. It's sputtering, and the code came up fuel injection about a month ago, but I put seafoam in here and I bought new plugs and it ran fine for like 3 weeks. This intake here, let me turn the camera around. This thing, sometimes when I shut the car off, if it's got hot from like demo and stuff, it still sounds like it's running, and I don't think it should. I got to get this thing off. I got to get a socket that goes down in there and check the intake out. But this is the fuel injection bar, and you mechanics know or got a good guess of what it could be. Do you think it's the coil packs? There's 4 of these. I mean, you really don't know. I know it's like you guys are just farting in the wind telling me something, but just give me some ideas. So, you know, I mean, I do all my own mechanics work myself. I watch videos and try to figure it out, and I usually do pretty good. There ain't much to this engine, so. But any help would be greatly appreciated. It even takes me a couple times to start it, what have you, because freaking whatever's wrong with it. So you guys listen. That's why I'm gonna do this real quick so somebody might know what's up. So it won't start first time. Hear it? Hear it sputtering? Listen. Like one of the cylinders ain't firing. I don't know. Fuel injector. Oh, it don't sound that bad. Everything else just sputtering out the back. Then music started.
Got me reminiscing about my old day. 3-6 suck a nigga dick, no foreplay all day. Nigga put his hands on me, that's a man down. Pick up, hold down, roll now, blow down. See they running with my old style, roll now, begging with my old style. It's the same how they roll now. Really like to do it on the feature. Talking to the
Move it a little bit. Yeah, we love coming out here in the shop. Tomorrow we're gonna be out here all day. We're gonna get these things fixed up. Let me turn this radio down a little bit before they write me. But good Lord, man, we got them 15s, the 10s, and 18 in here. Sundown, American Base XFLs, Clip City USA. Oh yeah, before I forget, dudes, I only got one fan in the car now, dudes. I'll pop the trunk and show you real fast before I go. Yeah, this one, I guess the base jarred the propellers on it. See where it's black in there? They were pushed forward, and I guess it stuck it, and then they stripped out the thing. Sucks. I'm gonna have to take the, I don't know if there's a way to take it apart where I can glue the freaking fan to where it needs, but it already chewed up some of the blades. Look in there, dudes. See it? See if I can turn the thing. Put my big ass finger in the way. See? It's chewed them down a little bit. It's always something, dude. It's always something. But yeah, I want to get this, after I get this mess with this Saturn fixed and get that amp from that dude, I want to get this ZV3 reconed and in this box. I need an 8-inch aero port. So one thing at a time, let's get this car engine going. Gotta go get some food here in a minute. Thanks to y'all for all y'all support. Thanks for hanging in with me. We will go to another car show. I promise. You guys know me. I want to go. You know what I mean? New base knob's been working lovely. The whole shebang, baby. Anyway. Show you real quick. See, I ain't got 2 fans in there now. I only got the one because the other one took a shit on me. It's all good though. I got it right at the tar amps. That's the most important. This one don't really get hot. That 8 channel. So. But everything else has been working great. I mean, it's cooling down outside, so the amp ain't even been getting hot. Unless I forget to turn the fan on, then it gets a little warm. But other than that, once I get this car fixed, and I should have that done by this weekend, I'll send the dude the money, and I want to have that Sundown. I want to put it over here. It's going to have dual inputs, which I got those too. That's another thing I got to show you guys before I go. Dude Chris, I don't remember his last name offhand. It's in my house, but he sent me, these are DS18 reducers, dual zero gauge reducers. He sent me 2 pairs of them, and that was sweet, dude. Thank you, Chris, man. I much appreciate it, dude, because he knows I'm getting that Sundown 6K, and it has dual power and ground. So I only needed one more set, but he sent me an extra one, which is always good, because some of these amps, you know, I'm gonna upgrade again. They take 3. They got triple. So it is what it is. I appreciate that, Chris, and thank you very much, man. You the man. Anyway, yeah, this is what I was talking about. Chris sent me these. Chris Bordelin from Placerville, Louisiana. And I don't know if I'm saying any of that right, but thanks, Chris. Appreciate these, dude. You know who you are if you sent these, but I appreciate it, Chris. They're all put together. Sorry if I mispronounced your name wrong. And there's the old 4 channel. We get up to 5K. Remember I said get one of them, not this bass knob, but a bass knob like mine. We get to 3K. So share with your friends. These things are awesome though. 2 sets. Thank you, dude. That's what's up. Alright guys, gotta get these tools back in here. And I got the car back together. I'll show you guys what it sounds like. I'm talking about the engine. It's good to have a set of DeWalt, whatever size you need, 400 amp fuses and miscellaneous other ones right there. But I got everything else I need for car audio in this thing pretty much. Roller, sound dampening, cutters to cut the dang wire in case lithium goes bad. Anyway, we're gonna crank her up. Let me put the seat back.
Making Danny's drip. This is DJ Rusticals.
Yeah. See the check engine light flashing? That's what I mean, dudes. It's freaking, I gotta get it figured out tomorrow. Too late. I work 6 days a week. I gotta get some time off to get this car took care of. But I'm trying to keep money going so I can get this good old Korean amp up in here. Now that we need it, we just want it. We already slamming. But anyway, you see it. Look, watch it finally come up out of it. Just listen. People going to Sonic. See, it's still flashing. Just showing you, so maybe one of you guys, a mechanic, might know. Still flashing. Now, see, finally. That's what I'm talking about, dudes. For tuning in to Bass Junkie 2020, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Light!